The Google Pixel 7 and its Pro sibling are among the best camera phones you can buy today. For 2023, the company is working on the Google Pixel 8 series with substantial camera upgrades. While the phones are still a few months away from their official launch, a new leak has extensively detailed the camera specs and features of the 2023 Pixels. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. This should lead to a substantial increase in light intake, thereby helping low light imaging and dynamic range. More importantly, the sensor supports Staggered HDR, which allows the camera to simultaneously take a long and short exposure shot, reducing motion blur and ghosting. Rumors of the Pixel 8 using Staggered HDR first popped up in December 2022. While the ISO CELO Gen 3 and Tensor G3 chip support 8K video recording, Google is unlikely to add support for it on its 2023 Pixels due to thermal constraints. According to reports, Google is planning to upgrade the camera hardware for its Pixel 8 series beyond just one aspect. The Pixel 8 Pro, which is set to release soon, is said to feature a 64MP Sony IMX787 sensor for its ultrawide camera, which is approximately twice the size of the 12MP ultrawide shooter found on the Pixel 7 Pro. Additionally, Android Authority's source suggests that the field of view will expand further to 0.49x compared to the previous 0.56x. The primary camera on the Pixel 7 also features the same Sony sensor used by Google. However, when it comes to ultrawide imaging, Pixel phones have traditionally fallen behind the top Android devices. The introduction of a noticeably larger sensor for the ultrawide camera on the Pixel 8 Pro is expected to address this issue. It's worth noting that the company might remove the macro focusing ability that was present on the ultrawide camera of the Pixel 7 Pro, but this has yet to be confirmed. Seemingly, the smaller Pixel 8 won't use the same ultrawide camera, though it is reportedly getting a minor upgrade as well. While it will retain the Pixel 7's 12MP Sony IMX386 sensor, its field of view will expand to 0.55x versus 0.67x. As for the 5x telephoto and the 11MP selfie shooter, it will remain unchanged. Reportedly, Google is planning to incorporate a more capable 8x8 VL53L8 ToF time-of-flight sensor in the Pixel 8 Pro, which is expected to improve autofocus speed and accuracy. In contrast, the standard Pixel 8 will likely retain the older VL53L1 ToF sensor. A leaked video has shown the Pixel 8 Pro housing a thermometer sensor on its back. Camilo Wojciechowski's source notes that the Melexis MLX90632 sensor is meant for high-precision, non-contact temperature measurements and is unlikely to serve any other purpose on Google's upcoming flagship Pixel phone. In addition to hardware upgrades, Google is also developing new camera features for its upcoming Pixel 8 series. One of these is the adaptive torch feature, which will automatically adjust the LED flash intensity based on the scene to prevent overexposure in low-light shots. Another feature is Segmentation AWB, which uses AI to analyze various parts of a photo and selectively apply processing to each part as necessary. Google seemingly plans to improve the cinematic video feature on the Pixel 8 by allowing you to adjust the blur level. All these hardware changes suggest the Pixel 8 series could pack some serious punch in the imaging department and raise the smartphone photography bar again. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.